Okay, we're in the factory and you can see this. This is the roof of the SeaPod, and this is the first finished product that has come out of the molds that we made. So the original plug took a year to make, and then the molds took about 2 months to make, maybe 3 months. Now we have the molds, and the molds can make now one of these units probably in about a week or less for until we get the manufacturing process down a little bit more. Then we'll be able to go faster and faster. But so far this is pretty good. We have some imperfections we have to work out. So this has a seam line here that isn't too hard to fix. It's just maybe 3 millimeters wide, and that just has to be sanded down, and then we're going to put a fresh coat of gel coat on the top. But it's coming along really good, and this is going to be our first prototype, so it will not be perfect, but it's meant to allow us to learn how to make it better the next time. We have a whole plan on how to put this into much larger production, and this is one of the steps of getting there. This is what the inside looks like. So we have these ribs that are reinforcement, structural reinforcement, because if we didn't put those in, then it could actually flex too much, and we wanted to have it very stable and strong, because as you notice that this is the roof, and the roof, being a roof, it's actually upside down. So we need to flip this around, and flipping this without this reinforcement would be a problem. So we actually used pool noodles. Those long rib things are actually pool noodles, and then they're covered with fiberglass, and that makes it actually incredibly strong. That adds a lot of strength to the whole structure.